Hi everybody, CANNABEARD Grows here. How the heck are you doing? I hope you're well. Well, we're about to announce the MARSHYDRO giveaway. I did a contest last week for those of you that got on. There was a bunch of you. We're giving away this thing right here. This, get out of the way of it here. There you go. It's an fc-e1500 light from MARSHYDRO. Round of applause for MARSHYDRO and their giveaway, helping me out here with that. Awesome, awesome. To the lucky viewers of CANNABEARD. So, I asked you guys to comment a specific phrase on any one of my videos, and every entry or every comment was an entry. And some of you took this as a challenge. There's a couple of you, it's about 3 or 4 of you whose names I kept seeing repeatedly in the entry. One, however, I definitely seen more than others, and that was actually, in fact, the winner. So, this is proof that diligence pays off. A little bit of hard work will actually outcome a net positive, generally. Anyway, in this case, I think some people might have seen it coming. I think he's seen it coming, but are you ready for this? John grows. There we go, my man. Diligence pays. You were by far the most active name I saw in the contest, but you were being shadowed by a few others that were definitely in your coattails. And not surprising, your name was the number from random.org. You win. What can I do? You win, buddy! Not that I was going to do anything different. You won. You won fair and square. So, I know how to get a hold of you. We don't even need to go through the validation bullcrap. You're my dude. I know who you are. Well, I'll hook you up. I'll send you a message on Instagram or something like that. One of the systems that I talk to you on. And thank you, everybody, for participating. Sorry I couldn't make you all winners. You know I'd give you all lights if I could. Blame MARSHYDRO for not giving me enough lights. If I could give one all to you, I'd say check under your seats and there's a light. But thank you very much. Like the video if you like these kinds of contests and want to see more. Congratulate John Grows for his dedication and hard work as it paid off. All right. Have a good one, everybody. I'll see you soon. Cheers.